Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Linear Issue Tracker, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Linear. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Linear homepage. Look for the login button typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email address and password. Enter your registered email address in the provided space. Next, type your password in the adjacent field. If you wish to remain logged in on this device, check the Remember Me box. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Login button. If your login details are correct, you will be taken to your Linear dashboard. If you experience issues, check if your email and password are entered correctly. For password recovery, click the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions sent to your email to reset your password. Once you have successfully logged in, explore the various features of Linear. You are now ready to start tracking your issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.